we complete Tripitaka translation. Our best friend from UK who come here to help our Professor Brahma Pandit. And when Professor Wang Sunin, of course, you come here, you came to Thailand as your second home. And our friend from Norway, Mr. EQ, Iselin as well. Professor Sophia as well. So of course, I would like to thank even our friend from German, Professor Simon. Our friend from Myanmar, Tula Buddhist University, Abu Songpola, our friend from Bhutan, Tampo Buddhist University, Tanhua University as well, who come to work with us. And I would like to thank all of you who come here. I know that, pardon? Oh, Vietnam, our sister being there. And I do hope that we work together, keep in touch to work together as well. And once again, thank you very much for being here to join our function today. Thank you. Please enjoy the dinner. Thank you.